Hi Riches. Why I hate maths but love only one magical number? Sounds paradoxical? Honestly, I have a confession to make. I hate maths. Yes, I say it boldly, proudly, and publicly. Those numbers, theorems, formulas, X, Y, Z, they all have tortured me more than my alarm clock on every morning. The calculus, trigonometry, algebra sound like zebras and rhinos. Even today, if someone says right angled triangle, my BP goes up. A square plus B square equal to C square, the most dangerous horror code ever created by mankind. Maths is logic only zone, no entry to creativity. But here is my big question. Here is the twist. There is one number, one magical number that I am absolutely in mad and deeply in love. If we all hate maths so much, why do we all crave this one maths number so badly? This is not about formulas. This is not about solving X and Y. This is about life and how maths has quietly sneaked into it without asking our permission. In this video, let us laugh together at our math struggles, face the bitter truth of why maths feels like horror for many of us, and discover how life still revolves around one number and what is that one magical number. Welcome to today's video, the love-hate story between us and mathematics. Why we fear numbers in school but chase them like crazy in real life. Let us go into the video. One of my friends is a scientist and was traveling in a 4-hour flight. When the co-passenger inquired about the profession of my friend, he said he is a mathematician. The rest of the journey, the co-passenger did not even turn to my friend's side. He was scared even to pick up a casual chat. Such is the value society attaches to the maths teacher and maths in general. So I am not alone in hating maths. The eternal paradox. Mathematics is the queen of sciences. Logical, elegant, powerful. And yet, so many people look at it like a demon. The first stumbling block is mathematical abstraction. The very sight of X, Y, and Z mixed with Greek letters, alpha, beta, gamma, and weird-looking symbols is enough to put off the bravest souls. Here is why that love-hate relationship exists. We will see first about the hate part. I found 5 strong reasons to hate maths. Number 1, bad first impressions. Maths often get introduced through formulas, theorems, drills, and fear of getting it wrong, instead of curiosity, puzzles, and aha moments. That's like being introduced to music by being forced to memorize scales for years before hearing a single song. Whatever you read in other subjects are directly relatable to life. But for instance, integrated calculus is far removed from our day-to-day life and you are disintegrated. Number 2, one right answer pressure. In maths, 2 plus 2 will never equal to 5. That precision can feel unforgiving. If you are wrong, you are just wrong. Other subjects let you waffle a bit. Maths don't. That scares people, doubting their otherwise smartness. Because maths is that one strict teacher in school. Maths is brutally honest. Right or wrong. 1 or 0. Pick or cancel. In life, you get marks for effort. In art, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. In sports, even a good try gets claps. But in maths, outside maths, the world loves imperfection. Life itself is never perfect. I am not perfect. Success does not come from perfect answers. It comes from trying, failing, learning, laughing, and moving on. But maths is unforgiving and punishing. Number 3, it builds like a tower. In other subjects where you can skip a chapter but still keep up and read the other lesson. But in maths, yesterday's lesson is the foundation of today's. If you missed yesterday's lesson and miss your concept early, the whole structure starts to wobble and crumble. In history, you can forget one king and still write about another. In English, skip one poem, still vibe with the next one. Maths doesn't forgive missing pieces. It's like Netflix's series. Skip one episode and you are completely lost. Number 4, teaching style matters. The teacher with a ruler on the hand is more scarier than the maths. There were days when I saw the maths teacher on the corridor. I used to hibernate. His conversation is always solve question number 7, A, 1, B, 2. No stories, no jokes, no real life examples. I never got to see the beauty of maths, like patterns in nature, connections to music, art, architecture. I only see abstract theorems, alpha, beta, gamma, Greek words. Yes, it's really Greek and Latin to me. I'm just seeing it as a grinding problem sets and exams. Can a good teacher make maths feel like magic with real life application? A bad one only makes it feel like punishment. Number 5, it feels not real. You feel like you are learning it just to pass a test, not to live your life. Many opted this subject in schools because this was considered as an easy scoring. Scoring or not, it was definitely boring. Until I saw how maths, which actually runs the world, engineering, computers, finance, medicine, even my apartment lifts. History told us stories of kings and wars. Science showed us rockets and rainbows. English let us feel heartbreak poetry like a Shakespeare. But maths, it was never real. No poetry, no emotions. But always find x, solve for y, prove the triangle ABC is similar to XYZ. I am asking, who is x? Where is he lost? And why is it always my problem to find him? I am not Sherlock Holmes. Despite hating maths, paradoxically, all love one number. All like and love the number 100. Heard them speaking 100%, I am right. Completed my job 100. Funny thing in maths, 100 is just 10 multiplied by 10. It is not the biggest number, not the hardest to reach. We never actually want 100. But even then, for the human heart, 100 means milestone, celebration, achievement. The number 100 is a way more than just a number. It is a psychological landmark. It has no magic in maths, but it is instantly and insanely powerful in the human. 100 is such a big deal for humans because 100% means perfect. 100 marks feel like completion. 100 first milestone. Scoring 100 feels like mastery. 100 days challenge is a commitment. Living up to 100, long life legend. Number 2, also our brain loves round numbers. Ask someone, how much is a lot? Most people will say 100 because numbers like 100 feel clean, neat and satisfying. Compare I saved 97 rupees versus I saved 100 rupees. Which feels better? Always 100. 100 feels like proof. It is not just a number, it's a social proof. It is I made it 100 likes, 100 followers, 100 videos, 100 repetitions, 100 books read. Now I will tell you why I personally like the number 100. Because this is my 100th video. It's about the proof to myself. It means I have not given up. It means I showed up enough times, no matter. It signals consistency, patience, survival. I only want the feeling that comes with 100, like a box office hit. This is all possible because of your patronage and continued support of subscribing, sharing, and commenting. 100 is not about numbers, it's about proof to yourself. 100 means you did not quit, you showed up, you survived long enough, no matter. That is the secret power of 100. We have seen why everyone is obsessed with the number 100 and why 100 feels so big. We don't really chase 100 because it's a big number. We chase it because it feels like proof. Proof that we are becoming the person we always wanted to be. Again, 100 is never the finish line. It is just a proof you are ready for the next race. That's the crazy psychology behind the magic of 100. Thanks for watching till the end. And in case you missed any, please watch them through Richie Ram's playlist.